Our main goal is to be able to offer our customers a better experience when they come to the dealership. And we believe we'll achieve that with a modern facility. And we believe that this is going to be beautiful for them and for us. So the customers are going to be a lot more comfortable coming to the dealership in both sections. In the service section, our display, our service advisors, we're going to be able to get to our customers faster. In the sales section, it's going to be a lot more comfortable, and we have a lot of different ways to show our customers the different vehicles that Mercedes-Benz offers. This is going to be one of the best looking dealerships in the state, and therefore we'll be able to attract more customers. We do have an unbelievable brand that people love. I believe we're going to experience very nice growth with this facility.